When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and in today's video we are fall vibing, but this day I will be at my mom's house. Here you see me creating a wreath for her. Once I'm done creating the wreath, I will go down to her home and I will spruce up her front porch, and from the front porch I will give her a beautifully styled tablescape for the fall. So guys, stick around and continue to watch as I create this wreath and then share with you all of the other fall vibing that I've done at my mom's house.
Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush, don't worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, don't
Okay guys, I've made it to my mom's and I'm just going to share with you kind of what it looks like before. I have removed all of the spring and summer decor, moved the spring and summer wreath. So I'm going to come in and add the fall decor. Now you see I've got those 3 bales of hay. I picked those up from Joann's Fabric. I think they were like $4.99 for each package. The wreath, you saw that I created that in my little she shed. These other wreaths are some that I've had. Not sure if I'm going to use them or not. And then the pumpkins and or some that I've already had in my stash, as well as the little welcome signage. So I'm going to go ahead and start to work, but before you do that, you know you must have to give it a good clean and a good wipe down. So I'm going to take the broom and wipe down some of the dust and spider webs and clean off the glass door there, and just give it a little sprucing up before I start to add the decor. So guys, just sit back and relax, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit and just enjoy this afternoon or morning or whenever it is that you're watching this video with me as I do all the work. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and you're always welcome to my home.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, don't worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, just let go. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.
Okay guys, I'm going to bring you in now for a closer reveal. This is the wreath that I created that you saw me making early on. The mat that I've placed on top of the other rug that was there just for that layered look. And then we're just going to go over and just review all of the other. Now this is her little touch with the sunflowers and the greenery here, so I just left that there. Added in the welcome signage, and this is one that I picked up from the Dollar Tree or whatever it is now, and it was $5. Now you see the spring and summer pillow in the rocker. Well, I'll change that out a little bit later. I forgot about that, so I'll go and change that. But these are the little sets that I've placed. I added the moms here at the corner of the steps. Added these little pumpkins here to be out of her way when she's coming down the steps over on this side here. This is generally the side she walk on. Another little welcome sunflower with another mom of these.
But we ran short, so for the sake of this video, we're going to take this here
in front of
and just
the
place
sign.
it there.
Didn't have anything to put there, so I
make
just
that
put
work
this plant there,
right there in that space.
From the top of her little sunflower she had there.
Another mom
but
in the
I don't
corner
like that,
here.
so I'm gonna come back and redo that. So
I do need to change out the pillow
pretty much set up.
as the pillow covering, but I don't know what
I need to
I did
change
with
that
it,
out. So I am
going to have to come back and
leave it
fix
for
that
right
up
now, but
tomorrow.
I think I do have
But I want
another
to get
pillow
some of this
that will
done.
fit perfectly there.
So I've added
So
this here,
this
but I
is
think
where I
I'm going to
decided
move it
to put
around
the fern.
the corner
You saw
just
me
a
playing
bit.
around
The
with that, trying to figure out where to put it and what
so I'm
container
going
to
to
put it
just
in.
slide it over.
So I added it into that planter stand and added the wreath around it, just to give a
probably on its
a
last
little
little
extra
leg, but I
layer
thought it
in
would be
there
perfect
to
for
have that
this setup
sticking
here.
from underneath the wreath. The steps you see leading from there, hubby and I did that back in the summer, the walkway kind of. It's just so that as she's walking out the steps, it's a level walk for her, and she can just step from the last step right onto the walkway. So we did that for her. Hubby did a great job on that. You know, I'm always just his assistant, so that worked out really good. So guys, this is the look of the outdoors, and I'll give you the night view, and then we will go in and finish up the table decor. So keep watching to see what other little changes that I made. And don't forget, if you're new, I welcome you. I would love to have you as part of this family. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell twice so that you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos. And for those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I take this time to say I thank you all for the love and for all of the support. So keep watching and enjoying the music.